Kale is a frilly, leafy cruciferous vegetable that has recently been discovered by superfood detectives, quickly rising to the top of the charts as being a superior source of fiber, vitamins and essential minerals. Here are 10 health benefits of kale. 1. Kale is loaded with vitamins. Neither spinach nor broccoli are any match to the vitamin load that kale offers, and it reigns in almost every category of vitamin and nutrient that you can think of. It ranks highest in vitamins A, C, and K, and a single serving can provide between 70 to 1000% of the daily recommended intake for each of these vitamins. Vitamin A is great for your hair, skin, and eyes, vitamin C is important for immune support and joint health, and vitamin K is essential for blood clotting, bone health, and the prevention of cancer. 2. Kale is packed with minerals. Kale offers a rich source of essential minerals like iron, copper, potassium, calcium, manganese, and phosphorus. Your body requires iron for red blood cell formation, and kale is an excellent source of iron even when on the strictest of vegan diets. Potassium helps your body to combat excess sodium, thereby regulating your blood pressure and fluid levels throughout your body. Calcium, as we know, keeps your teeth and bones extra strong, and kale provides this important mineral in an energizing alkaline form, rather than in an acidic dairy form. 3. Kale contains lots of fiber. Like many cruciferous vegetables, kale is an excellent source of fiber, providing more than 10% of your daily needs in just one cup. Not only does fiber significantly lower cholesterol, but it also aids digestion, preventing constipation, and cleansing you from the inside out. It also makes you feel fuller for longer, helping your body to regulate blood sugar levels and preventing diseases such as diabetes and cancer. 4. Kale contains essential fatty acids. While one wouldn't ordinarily associate any fats with vegetables, it is a fact that plant foods contain a source of essential fatty acids, with kale being one of them. While being considered a fat-free, low-calorie source of nutrition, kale offers the necessary 1 gram or less of essential fatty acids such as omega-3 and 6, which significantly benefits your brain health. The essential fatty acids found in kale do not naturally occur in the body, boosting heart health and reducing the risk of developing conditions like diabetes and Alzheimer's disease. 5. Kale helps you to lose weight. Kale is low in calories, low in saturated fat, and exceptionally high in fiber, which means that not only will you feel fuller for longer, but you are also able to indulge in a guilt-free meal packed only with positives. The fiber alone aids in filling and cleansing you from the inside out, resulting in a slimmer waist and a leaner look, beautifying your hair, skin, and nails while you're at it. 6. Kale prevents cancer. Studies have revealed that kale not only prevents cancer but has also been known to suppress the growth of cancer tumors. It eliminates damaging carcinogens from the body, encourages the destruction of cancer cells, and at the same time creates an alkaline environment in your body in which diseases cannot thrive. The risk of developing ovary, prostate, urinary, breast, colon, and many other forms of cancer can be reduced by including more in your daily diet. 7. Kale keeps your skin youthful. Kale contains a good source of sulfur, which is known to reduce severe acne, as well as to improve the overall condition and appearance of even the most neglected skin. It not only removes toxins from your skin but also aids in boosting collagen production, a substance that makes you look more youthful. By including at least 2 cups of kale in your diet 3 to 4 times per week, you will be able to reap the benefits of faded scarring, smaller pores, and a healthier glow in general. 8. Kale contains an abundance of antioxidants. Kale contains 2 types of rich antioxidants, known as flavonoids and carotenoids, both of which not only assist in preventing diseases but also offer significant anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Containing over 45 different types of flavonoids, kale protects the body from oxidative stress, which is usually evident in the appearance of cataracts, asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, and cellular damage. Antioxidants are essential for keeping your immune system in a peak state, which further reduces the risk of developing colds, flus and unnecessary ailments. 9. Kale is packed with energy. While kale is low in calories, offering only 36 calories per cup, it forms part of the list of alkalizing and energizing superfoods. When digested, it offers a stream of alkaline nutrition, which balances the pH of your entire body, offering you abundant energy, vitality and overall wellness. 10. Kale reduces stress. Research has suggested that ingesting chewy, leafy, hydrating green vegetables like kale will significantly reduce your stress levels, offering your teeth, gums, brain, heart, and digestive tract harmony, nutrition, and a feeling of cleanliness, physically, mentally, and emotionally. While the mechanics of chewing through heaps of flavorful health foods like kale are known to significantly reduce blood pressure, while simultaneously slowing your heart rate.